It's always important to be on pace in your course. That will ensure that you can complete on or before the 18-week deadline. But how exactly do you know if you're on pace? Let's go over some tips and tricks to help you out. Each course is broken down into headers and tasks, like pages, assignments, quizzes, and DBAs. You'll see each week has a header, and all the assignments for that week are under that header. You'll also notice that each week's assignments start with the week number. So how do you know what week you're supposed to be in? You can either click here to view your eSchool dashboard, or you can check the weekly progress emails. Let me know if you aren't receiving them so I can fix that for you. Let's look at a few examples. This student went to her eSchool dashboard to check on how many weeks active she has been. Can you find how many weeks active she's been? If you look here, you can see that this student is 3 weeks active. Now, let's go into the Modules tab. Now let's look at this student. He went into his weekly progress update email on Monday to learn that he's in week 5. So then he went to his Grades tab, located here. Uh-oh, what do you notice about this student's pace? Remember, his weekly progress update email said he was in week 5. Yikes. It looks like the last assignment he turned in was in week 1, and he hasn't started in week 2 yet. He's almost 4 weeks off pace. He's got a lot of catching up to do. You can tell this is the last assignment he turned in because of the text icon. You can tell he hasn't turned this assignment in because of the dash. So how do you check on specific due dates? Just remember that if you're a few days late turning in your assignments, that's okay. You won't lose points. But the more you wait to turn it in, the more off pace you'll become. One way to check due dates is on the Module tab under the assignment. This item is due February 4th. Another way to check on due dates is on the Grades tab. This view will show you all the assignments due in the course and their due dates. If you want to check on the date that you need to have all your coursework done, just scroll down to the final exam on the bottom and follow that date. Now you have all the tools you need to help you stay on pace. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can email me or text or call.